Proper chemical handling starts with clear procedures that every employee follows on every shift. Train staff to read and follow product labels and safety data sheets before they touch any container, and make those documents easily accessible in printed and digital form. Use written standard operating procedures that specify dilution ratios, contact times, and the correct applicators for each surface, so cleaners do not guess concentrations or spray contact times. Require and supply appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, eye protection, and aprons, and match the equipment to the task by consulting the safety data sheet rather than assuming one size fits all. Store chemicals in locked, ventilated cabinets separated by compatibility to prevent dangerous reactions. Keep an up-to-date inventory and rotate stock by use by date to avoid degraded products. Implement spill response plans with simple step-by-step actions and keep spill kits where work occurs so staff can respond immediately without improvising. Establish a training schedule with hands-on practice, competency checks, and refresher sessions, at least annually or whenever a new product is introduced. Common mistakes include relying on memory for dilution and contact times, which causes ineffective disinfection or surface damage, so post clear mixing charts and use measuring equipment to enforce exact ratios. Another issue is inadequate ventilation or ignoring odor as a cue, which can cause respiratory irritation, so use low volatility products, open doors or windows when possible, and use mechanical ventilation or air purifiers if needed. A third problem is inconsistent personal protective equipment use because staff find it uncomfortable, so provide multiple glove sizes and types, lightweight eye protection, and train on the real risks, so adherence is seen as practical rather than optional. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and learn what others have experienced with cleaning and safety practices. We host a community discussion area where users and contractors exchange tips, post questions, and share recommendations to help everyone work safer and smarter.